Yeah, you can. Like that. Hi everybody. Okay. There is sober color. Sattu. This is the smaller one. How about this one? This is a very beautiful color. However, the width is a little bit small. This is 41. Okay. 41. Yeah. But it's very pretty color combination. Classic white with a red. 41. So for people who are my height, let me just show you where it's coming. I am 4'11", not even 5. I'm very tiny. So this is coming till here. So who are my height or under 5 feet, you guys can take this and then ask for a special discount. So you might, get some good discount and not the normal usual price because the width is less. Okay, so that's your opportunity to earn, to save some money and then own the Moirangphee. Very beautiful. Okay. Good morning, Maria.
Good morning.
How was the sleep?
Good.
Oh. Beautiful. What color is it, Maria?
It's white and pink and green and
Lilac. Okay, that's a new color. Lavender. Lilac. What is this lilac? My daughter says. So that's white with beautiful light purple lavender color border and pink flowers. So it goes with the theme of lavender and pink and white.
And green.
And green for the leaves, yes. As cotton, width is normal, 44. Tassels? Tassels of fringe. Sai dei se lui graba, si che sa.
Green blue.
Si che sa, ma che fa? Next we have is green. It's like
black.
Okay, green with black border and the pink flowers. This green is normal green, not dark green also. Minty green, okay. In black combination, black temple.
With the same flower.
Yes. What is the name of the flower?
Rose.
China rose. Okay. time is it? Good for swimming or it's already shut? Gone.
9. Yeah, that is gone.
Okay, this is another red with the white with the red combination. The width is quite long.
And the same type of flower, but this
It's about to reach my neck.
the flowers purple with the pink.
What is the flower name?
Lotus.
Lotus.
Yeah.
It's quite a big size.
Yeah, the width is reaching my neck. That is my.
It's really pretty.
That's pretty on me.
Yeah.
Sari is pretty or I'm pretty? Oh, thank you.
Is it live?
Yes, it's live. Welcome. And this is pink, light pink color with the black combination.
Again. With the same lotus.
With the same lotus.
Yeah.
We have 3 red lotus in black temple.
And 3 pink lotus.
My
Going
scarf.
down.
This is so starch.
Yeah, this is little hard. Strong starch. You can get it removed. So these are all cottons we have, or we have few more?
We have 2 more maybe 5, 6 hundreds.
We have a lot of those ones.
Yeah.
I like the other pink one.
Which one?
The one with the purple lotus.
Which one do you think Mama should take?
Baby pink.
Siguro, nahanap mo hanggang yun. This is so pretty. What color is this, Aria? And the fabric is very good. The weaving is very close. So
I can
quality
see your
of this
hand.
fabric, yeah. So this is standing to lift, the new design that our weavers are doing. Maybe a month back they
There's
started.
yellow, red.
Again, the width of the sari is 44. Yeah.
There's yellow, red, and hot.
And then, so the body
And
has
it's teal
teal.
and red border.
The temple of this sari is quite thin, thinner and longer. Others are a little bit, width is more. Love this color. Anything bright, pastel, I really love it. Teal.
I mostly like pastel.
Yeah. Like that. Then we have this light blue, little bit lighter than
This is a little bit lighter.
lighter than this, the earlier one. This is icy blue.